We live in a fast-changing world, and nothing has affected how we live, work, and play more than advances in technology. It changes everything we see, do, touch, and feel. Pioneers such as Marconi, Hewlett-Packard, Gates, Jobs, Berners-Lee, Page, Brin, and Zuckerberg have changed not just how the world uses technology, but also how we communicate, how we access information, and how we share intelligence locally and globally. With a proliferation of media channels underpinned by technological capabilities, we live in an on-demand world where news, information, and entertainment are accessible 24/7. Choice for consumers is everywhere. For over 17 years, DWA has been connecting technology companies with their customers by providing pinpoint targeting, ensuring that media budgets are used in the most efficient and impactful way. How, when, where, and why we choose to consume certain media makes the job of delivering targeted messages harder and harder, and the role of marketing to consumers is more complex and challenging than ever before. With over 150 staff across 4 continents in 8 locations, DWA is the undisputed leader in media planning and buying for the global technology industry. We represent over 160 of the world's leading technology companies, enabling them to maximize media investments in every possible media environment. This year, we'll deliver over 1 million qualified sales leads to more than 75 technology companies as a part of their global demand generation activities. Creating integrated, award-winning strategies that deliver real and clearly defined ROI is what we're known for. Whether it's TV campaigns for PCs, social media campaigns for storage, or global demand generation programs for internet security, DWA provides the knowledge, experience, and global footprint that delivers outstanding results every time. DWA, your global communications partner in a world of changing technology.